Olá pessoal, welcome back to Plain Portuguese, where you learn how to speak like a Brazilian. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and catch up on the videos you have missed. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to use some pronouns to avoid repetition. For example, if I asked you, have you seen Paulo? Would you answer, yes, I've seen Paulo, or yes, I've seen him? The second option, right? Well, so this is what you will learn in today's lesson. Grab your notebook because you will learn what is used in written and more formal communication and what is used in daily spoken conversations in Brazil. By the way, this is the first part of a series, so if I were you, I would hit the notification bell so not to miss the next episodes. Vamos começar? In the introduction, I asked you if you had seen Paulo and you said, yes, I've seen him. This him is replacing Paulo, isn't it? Well, and how do I do this in Portuguese? Let's take a look at this table. These are the pronouns, some small words that you will use to avoid repeating a person's name or any other nouns. Yes, so these are the pronouns we'll be working with today. So, yesterday we were walking on the street and you saw me. Yeah? Você me viu na rua ontem. So, you saw me. Você me viu na rua ontem. See, me is coming before the verb. Você me viu na rua ontem. I saw you on the street yesterday. If you are a woman, I must say, eu a vi na rua ontem. Eu a vi na rua ontem. But if you are a man, eu o vi na rua ontem. Eu o vi na rua ontem. Yeah? I also saw Susan. Eu a vi na rua ontem. Because she's a woman. So, eu a vi na rua ontem. And Paulo? Yes. Eu o vi na rua ontem. O, because he's a man. Eu o vi na rua ontem. Supposing that you didn't see me. So, você não me viu na rua ontem. See the word order? So then, você não me viu na rua ontem. I didn't see you either. If you're a woman, eu não a vi na rua ontem. Eu não a vi na rua ontem. But if you're a man, eu não o vi na rua ontem. Eu não o vi na rua ontem. Susan, eu não a vi na rua ontem. Paulo, não, eu não o vi na rua ontem. Okay? Well, my friends and I had to carry many boxes, and some guy helped us. Rapaz nos ajudou. Rapaz nos ajudou. Yeah, I saw the same guy helping that couple over there. O rapaz os ajudou. Yeah? O rapaz os ajudou. He also helped those girls. O rapaz as ajudou. O rapaz as ajudou. Are you with me? Vamos praticar? Well, help me fill in the blanks. In this practice, we'll be using the following verbs. Ver, chamar, Bea, chamar, ouvir, cumprimentar, which means to greet, cumprimentar, abraçar, beijar, ignorar, esperar, to wait, esperar. Bom, yesterday, Paulo saw me and greeted me. So then, ontem o Paulo me viu e me cumprimentou. Ontem o Paulo me viu e me cumprimentou. Ele viu sua namorada e a beijou. Ele viu a sua namorada e a beijou. Eles viram seus amigos e os abraçaram. Eles viram seus amigos e os abraçaram. Ele ligou para o seu amigo e o esperou por 1 hora. He waited his friend for 1 hour. Ele ligou para o seu amigo e o esperou por 1 hora. Quando seu amigo chegou, ele o ignorou e foi embora. Not a good friend. He ignored the other one. Well, quando o seu amigo chegou, ele o ignorou e foi embora. Bom, now it's your turn. Well, so let's see the first sentence. Did Maria greet you in the morning? A Maria me cumprimentou de manhã. Did she also greet her friends? Tell me. Ela viu suas amigas e também as cumprimentou. Did she hug and kiss them? Ela as abraçou e as beijou. Well, I called André 3 times. I don't think he heard me, so... André, André, André. Eu o chamei 3 vezes. Acho que ele não me ouviu. Então, eu o chamei 3 vezes. Acho que ele não me ouviu. I think they are calling Pedrinho and Luisa. But the kids are not listening to them. Eles chamaram o Pedrinho e a Luisa, mas as crianças não os ouviram. When talking formally, you'll notice that Brazilians do use the pronouns we have studied. However, when talking informally, you'll notice that Brazilians do use the pronouns me and nos, but not as much o, a, os, as. So, how do we do then? Well, when referring to you, some of us will use te. That can be pronounced as chi, but it's spelled with e, like te. Yeah? Oh, attention please. If you plan to take a test, write an article, write an essay, anything more formal, using te here is grammatically wrong. However, it's accepted and spoken in informal language. Yeah? So, instead of I saw you on the street, yes? Instead of saying eu ouvi ou eu a vi na rua ontem, you may hear eu te vi na rua ontem. Eu te vi na rua ontem. Or eu te vi na rua ontem. Yeah? When referring to a third person, ele or ela, instead of eu ouvi na rua ontem, you may hear eu vi o Paulo na rua ontem. Or eu vi ele na rua ontem. This is super, super colloquial. Eu vi ele na rua ontem, ok? What about Susan? Eu vi a Susan na rua ontem. Or eu vi ela na rua ontem. Again, super, super colloquial. And here there's a funny fact. When speaking, we link vi and ela. Vi ela. And this combination sounds like another word. Viela. Viela. Viela in Portuguese is a narrow street. Yes. So eu vi ela. That sounds a bit funny. So then in this case I would avoid using this super, super colloquial way, and I would repeat the person's name as eu vi a Susan ontem. Don't go anywhere before leaving me a question, a comment, a thumbs up, anything. The more you interact with me here, the more YouTube recommends the videos to others, and the more I make videos for you. Simple, isn't it? Well, thank you for watching this class and see you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!